Morning, guys. It is May 22nd. Yes, it is the 22nd. It is Tuesday. We are in our new place in Tampa. I know I did not film, and I'm sorry, I did not film an apartment tour when it was completely empty. Y'all, we were running really late. U-Haul was late, our pod was late, so we just had to get in here and get moved in. But today's an exciting day. We are getting furniture. We got a couch last night. It will be here on Wednesday because the last couple days we've been sleeping on our bed in the living room. But yeah, so we're going to IKEA, but first we got to drop our car off just to get it kind of tuned up. Then we're going to IKEA to get the last bit of furniture stuff, and then I'll take you on an apartment tour when we're all set up. But yeah, Tampa has been lovely. We'll see y'all in the next clip. Yeah, here we go. Okay guys, we're here at the Ford dealership. Our car is getting serviced because the clutch on our Ford Focus, the transmission on our Ford Focus kind of slips. We noticed that when we were driving, so we're getting it looked at. But we have a rental car because it'll be about 2 to 3 days. Y'all, this rental car is fire. Caleb is so excited to drive it, aren't you, honey?
Oh gosh, I'm so excited.
Boom! Minivan life. Yeah, buddy. You ready?
Let's go.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention.
So we are at Pharmacy Vegan Kitchen down here in Tampa, Florida. It is honestly so amazing. So we just ordered their breakfast. We got 2 almond berry waffles and an avocado brownie. The brownie is so good. And fun fact, we just learned it's high in protein because there's half an avocado in it. So we're gonna eat our food, then we're heading to IKEA to get some furniture and get our apartment together. I am so full. I cannot finish a whole one. There was one slice left, but oh my gosh, y'all, that was really delicious. What do you think, honey?
Oh, that was amazing.
We've been throwing around an idea, and I want to kind of talk to y'all about it real quick. What do you guys think about Caleb and I kind of putting some vegan cooking like videos up? So we were thinking about doing like getting a recipe and then cooking, like basically a vegan cooking show, and upload once a week on this channel. And then if it's something you guys like, we might do another channel just for like, sorry, we're navigating, but if you guys like it, we might do another channel for vegan eating. But if that's something you guys would like to see, like some vegan recipes, like dinners, appetizers, snacks, desserts, cakes. Yes, cakes. We can make vegan cakes. Well, I've never made one, but we'll try. So if that's something you guys are interested in or you want to see, give this video a thumbs up. But right now we're heading to IKEA, get furniture, go home, and then once everything's set up, I'll be able to show you guys an apartment tour. Hopefully. It should be set up this week. So see you at IKEA. We're home, but I'm gonna have to go out probably in the next hour. To Walmart. We got a grocery shop because we have nothing in this house, but I'm really excited because finally we're getting somewhere with our apartment. So I'm just gonna kind of take you guys on a tour. It's really messy, so this is the messy apartment tour with no furniture and stuff not set up whatsoever. So this is what it looks like when you enter. So right here we just have like our water heater, and it's like, see, little storage, our front door. So then you walk in, our messy kitchen, but the kitchen is massive. And then right here to the left, when you come in, this is gonna be our guest room. Well, it's gonna be our office and then a guest room. So we're getting a futon so that mattress can go over there. We're gonna have some desks, and then all the Monarch stuff will go on this wall on a nice shelf. And then we might put a desk there. I'm not 100% sure what we're doing yet. And then right here, laundry, our nice brand new washer and dryer. And then the bathrooms are huge. So here's the bathroom. So the bathrooms are huge. And this is the guest bathroom. It's massive. And then I love all the shelving. So I'm gonna have like towels and then just like knick-knacky stuff here. So that is the guest half. And then right over here is our living room. Obviously we have our bed because, focus, there we go. We have our bed because we don't have a couch that comes tomorrow. And then we just got a TV stand for our TV, but this is our living room. And then patio, my handsome husband.
Also, the most important room of the house is, of course, the master, because that's where all the magic happens. But right now, this is currently where the magic is happening right now, on our queen size bed in the living room. But we do have furniture now, so this is where the magic is happening now, and this is where the magic is going to be happening. So go ahead and show them the master, honey. Was that good?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's go to the master, where apparently all the magic is happening, which it is. Here's the master bath. Here is our huge double sinks, big mirror, and I love this. Check this out. It is a shower tub combo. Yes. We got that, and then nice little shelving units. This is just temporary, but kind of get what I'm doing. Toilet, and then right here, come into our huge master. All of our clothes are on the ground because we don't have a dresser. I have to get that today. Here is our bed frame, and then the closet is really big. Caleb, these are all my clothes right here. Caleb has this. Let me. I just had to climb over that. This is Caleb's little tiny section, and then mine. But yeah, and these are all my shoes and Caleb's sad amount of shoes. So yeah, that is okay. Oh jeez, goodness. Okay. Whew. That is the super messy, super like unprofessional, like quick Tampa apartment tour. Like I said though, like 4 or 5 times, there will be an apartment tour once everything's really all set up. We're not even close to being set up. We have to put together every single room basically, and we have people coming over this weekend for Memorial Day weekend. My in-laws are, not my in-laws, but my brother-in-law and his fiance are coming, and then I believe my mom might be stopping in town for a little bit, but I'm winded. I've never ever gone out for Memorial Day weekend. I've honestly never really done anything like this stuff, so I'm really excited about being in Tampa. We're right in downtown, so it's pretty exciting, you know, the nightlife and everything, because you guys know that at 23, obviously, my life was on hold for 2 years, and I'm okay with that because I'm here now, and I would do it all over again, but I'm just really excited to, you know, enjoy my 20s, like my mid-20s now, because I'm 25. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. So if you guys are in Tampa and you guys are doing anything for Memorial Day weekend, let me know in the comments down below because we have no idea what to do.
When I go, I am all about adventure times. Another drink.
What are you watching, honey? We finally got our entertainment center set up. We actually went into IKEA going to get a different entertainment center, but we saw this one. For one, it was way cheaper, and 2, it actually fit in this place a lot better, because if we would have got the other one, it would have been too bulky. But here is our little masterpiece. So here's a little sneak peek. We got our little entertainment center, our big old TV. But I think what we're gonna do is, for this one, it's really cool. You can customize it. So we're going to add shelves. So there'll be a shelf there, a shelf right on top there, and then a shelf right over there. That way we can put the Xbox, our DVDs, and just like little knick-knacky things. And then that way too, it's also a little bit of a storage unit. And then we're going to head to the gym. I'm going to, what are we training? Upper body, honey? We're training bis and tris today. So there will be a bis and tris workout in 3, 2, 1, let go. here's the real workout.
I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Alright guys, it is way later. It is 10:30. I'm really tired. Caleb and I got the entertainment center set up. We got our bed set up. Exhausted. My arms are tired. That's why this camera keeps moving, because it's just, my arms are just tired, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this workout. I will see you in the next video. And then there will be an apartment tour. I just don't know when yet. Soon. See y'all in the next video. Love you. Bye.